Did you know that most wedding photographers keep your photo digital masters for ransom? Have you noticed that you don't see prices advertised on other wedding photographers' websites? That's because you don't actually own the copyright to your pictures. Did you know that in many cases you actually have to pay for your wedding photos on a per-photo basis? And you have to order all printed materials at a marked up price directly from that photographer? This means you have to track them down if you want additional prints made for anniversaries. Worse still, what if that photographer goes out of business taking all your memories with them? Are you trying to save money by using friends and family with their dinky point-and-shoot camera, and then regret it when the pictures come out like this, or this, or this? At Mango Tree Photography, we give you professional-looking pictures like this, and this, and this, complete with all your digital masters at no extra charge. We will even do special Photoshop editing post-production so your pictures come out stunning, like this, and this. We'll also post your album onto Facebook so all your friends and family get to see your special event. Here's what some of our past clients have said about Mango Tree Photography. George is great. He was very professional and his pictures came out fabulous. We are very pleased with George's work and would definitely recommend him to anyone looking for a no-nonsense professional photographer. J.R. and Gina Grayson. George and Carol did a great job at our wedding. They took a lot of pictures of the event and our guests, as well as the wedding itself. Linda and Bill. So how much would you pay for a wedding photographer? According to Google, people pay from $800 up to $17,000 for their wedding photographer. At Mango Tree Photography, you will get an all-inclusive deal for your special event that includes all your digital masters fully edited, cropped, and color balanced, your album posted onto Facebook, all for a fixed price of $9.95. You don't have to decide now. Simply give us a call today and schedule a free consultation to see if we are the right photographer for you. Hurry! Book early as wedding weekend time slots fill up rather quickly.